Subscribe to Anu's Food Cart, click on the bell icon and select the option all to get notification whenever I post a new video.
Hello friends, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. Today I'm here with the recipe of banana gold coins. Basically it is batter fried bananas which look like gold coins. That is why I have named it as banana gold coins. It is a variety of Pazhampori which I have already posted long back and the response was really awesome. I hope you all will love this recipe as well. This is my grandmom's recipe and I have learned this recipe from my mom because she used to make it for me. And without any further delay, let us quickly jump into the recipe.
Take 3/4 cup of jaggery to a pan and add half a cup of water to it. Cook it on medium flame until the jaggery melts properly. Now as you can see here, the jaggery has melted well. Now we'll just turn off the flame and bring the jaggery syrup to room temperature. Take 1/4 cup of fermented dosa or idli batter into a bowl and add the prepared jaggery syrup to it. Do not add all at once, add little by little so that we can adjust the sweetness according to our liking. I have taken idli batter here, you can also take dosa batter. Make sure it is fermented but not very sour. Now mix the syrup and batter together really well. If you do not have dosa or idli batter with you, do not worry. You can just add a tablespoonful of rice flour to the jaggery syrup and also add 2 pinches of baking or cooking soda to it. Now add a cup of plain flour or maida to it and mix it up really well so that we get a lump-free mixture. As you can see here, the batter I have prepared is lump-free but it's very thick. That is why I have added 2 tablespoons of water to it. I have added a pinch of salt and now mix it really well. Please do not skip this step because it is really important to add a pinch of salt so that it balances out the sweetness and it really tastes awesome. Now as you can see here, our batter is ready and this should be the consistency. It just falls like ribbon when it is dropped from a height. I have taken a ripe Kerala banana here. It is called as Nendraparam and I have cut it into 1/2 centimeter roundels and now drop it into the batter. In the meantime, we'll add some oil into a pan to deep fry. I have placed it on medium flame. Drop a little bit of batter into the hot oil and if it comes right away onto the surface of the oil, it means that our oil is ready to fry. Now coat the banana slices well in the batter which we have prepared and drop it carefully into the oil one by one. Be very careful while doing it because the oil is really hot. Once the banana slices pick up nice golden color on one side, turn it on to the other side and fry until golden. Now take it off the oil and transfer it to a plate lined with tissue paper. Serve it hot with a hot cup of tea. You can try this recipe out with any sweet banana of your choice if you do not get Kerala banana at your place. But please do not use the sour ones, okay, because it doesn't taste that good. It is so easy to prepare and it is so tasty. You can make it for your iftar parties, kitty parties, birthday parties and so on. You can have it as an evening snack with a hot cup of tea and it tastes super yummy. Do try this recipe out and let me know through the comment section below how it turned out for you. Do not forget to like this video and share it with all your loved ones so that they can enjoy good food too. Also subscribe to my channel for many more such wonderful recipes. I'll see you guys with another one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.